superstar. He wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a star. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up.
We have another wig video today. Okay. So this is Mayde Beauty. All right. This is a curly sensation. All right. When I picked her up, I knew for sure I had to try her out for y'all so y'all can see her. The name of this wig is ITZEL. It's in the color sugar brown. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and get on to it. Open this bad boy up so we can see what we got. Oh, she is cute. Really cute. I'm in a new location in my house. So I finally got my little vanity set up in a place where I feel kind of comfortable. I don't know. It's okay. But oh my gosh, she is cute. I do think that this is a look. This is a look, y'all. This is a look. Of course, straight out the packaging, we get no shedding. So shedding is not our problem right now, okay? But once we style it and we profile it, shedding could be the option. But these curls are beautiful. Like, what the heck is going on? Mayde. I did a video for Mayde. My first video I put out, y'all. And the color on it was bomb, just like the color on this one. All right. And I love the little skunk style here in the front. That is so cute. So yeah, and it's actually on both sides. It's a lot of hair. Okay, I'm trying to get this together. It's actually on both sides. So this is a really cute freaking wig. We're about to just go ahead and get into it. Let me make sure I ain't missed nothing on here. HD lace front wig, pre-plucked hairline, curling iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. And it does come in other colors, if y'all were wondering. It comes in 1B, number 2, sugar brown, which is the one I have, sugar berry. And they also have a sugar honey, which is more of a blonde in the front. But this here, okay, this is about to be a winner. Lace actually, now that the extra lace is cut off, the lace actually looks like it's ear to ear. This is a deep side part to the right. They give you a decent amount of room to pluck, but yeah, you get your 2 combs, of course, on the side for your deep side part, and you get one in the back as well. So yeah, I always cut out my the straps in the back because I never need them. I'm gonna go ahead and slap this wig on, okay, y'all?
I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Why you wanna play so bad? 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 I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 more times and can I testify for you? I told I like you, that bitch I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. top tied right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We ain't had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying?
The price of this wig was $45. So it's a little steep. It's a little steep, especially for a synthetic unit. But it's so doggone pretty. It is so doggone pretty. Okay. Y'all see I just put me a little something right here. And I was able to curve this up a little bit. Okay. I was able to do a little shroom, a little shadig. You feel me? This is it. Like, I ain't feeling like I'm doing so. I'm doing so. I'm doing so good. That's how I feel right now. Like, that's how I feel. Y'all. I'm gonna have to put this one up in the closet and take this out on a good date night. Somebody gonna see me. Somebody gonna see me. Papa those. Somebody gonna have to see me in this. Okay? I feel fine as hell. But I'm gonna be real with y'all. This ain't the hair to be wearing every day. This ain't the hair to wear in the heat. This ain't the hair to do heavy activities in. This ain't the hair, you know, this just ain't the hair for none of that stuff. You literally need to be sitting pretty in AC, okay? If you want to put this wig on. And if it ain't AC, it better be shit lower than 40 degrees outside. You will sweat this baby off, okay? You will sweat it off. Y'all see me put 3 coats of this Wonder lace bond. It ain't going nowhere, honey. It ain't going nowhere, okay? So if you do the little 3 coats, I didn't want to glue everything on. Just like sometimes these synthetic wigs don't require you to put a cap on, the full shebang. You just want to get in and get out. That's exactly what I did this time. I got in and I got out, okay? And I don't regret putting 3 coats of this because this sticks, baby. This sticks. So I did the little 3 coats, y'all. Y'all see me do my swoop-de-doop. I don't even know what length it is. It don't tell me nothing. I don't care. Maybe I don't care the length of the hair. I'm buying this wig again because this sugar brown, baby. Y'all, it's definitely giving brown sugar. Okay? Okay, brown sugar in your coffee. Y'all see how full it is? It's a lot of hair. This is why I said, don't bring your tail outside in the summertime with this wig. Okay, so the parting is a 5-inch parting. And the parting is already curved. I just curved it even more. And I feel like it gave it the touch that it need. You don't really see too much lace. I ain't curled a wig. I ain't styled a wig. I literally ran my fingers through this wig. And that is it. You will not see me comb this wig whatsoever. This one here. This one's killing. I feel like I'm getting better and better in these videos. But the wigs are just getting better and better. I'm like, ooh, let me try this style. Let me try that style. I need to come out with like a whole series. I need to have my curly wigs over here, my bobs over here. I have yet to put on a bob, so that's probably next. I got my straight wigs over here. I got my color over here. Listen, this YouTube channel has been wonderful so far. Y'all, I am just so happy that I kept going. Like, I really feel like God was telling me, you got to get back to this YouTube. Get back to this YouTube. It don't matter what you do with it. Just start it, because this is what you always wanted. And I'm here. And now that I'm here, I'm like, dang, I've been killing it every time I put out a video. This is nice. Like, I'm just so happy. And I ain't gonna cry yet. Y'all gonna see me cry on one of these videos, but I am just extremely happy. I've gotten so far. Y'all just don't understand, man. When people told me I wasn't gonna make it, people told me I wasn't gonna be nothing. I've been consistent. Yeah, posting is Sunday, maybe Monday. Either Sunday or Monday, those are my posting days. I post once a week for right now, only because I am full-time in school to be an accountant. But I am on the road to finishing, okay? So I have about 1.5 years left of school, so we're definitely gonna push this YouTube and keep going. But right now I'm just doing my 1 video a week, only because I am doing wigs and I'm a college student, so y'all know how my finances are going right now. They're in the trash. You might as well throw the finances in the trash right now. But my husband does pitch in to help me support my dreams and my goals. If y'all want this wig, get this wig. Stop playing. You want this wig, get this wig. This wig is bomb as hell. It looked too good. They got 6 colors in it, all right? This one is sugar brown. Or should I say brown sugar, babe? Okay. I grew this last night, honey. I grew this last night. You can't tell me I did it. I got to go see Beyonce in this wig, girl. So, my little $45 wig, y'all can't tell me nothing, okay? Nothing. But yeah, y'all, if you like this wig, if you like me, if you want to see more, hell, if you just having a good day, I don't mind if you hit the subscribe button. I mean, you could add a little shindig, a little sprinkle on top of it and hit the like button. Shoot, but comment something, shit. Tell me you love me. I love you. We love each other, okay? We're here for each other, all right? I don't know if I popped up in your recommended. I don't know if you went searching for this wig, which you need to be. I don't know what, but I feel like there's a connection somewhere between me and you, okay? So let's keep that going. Man, I love y'all. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, all right?
I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? You the man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extend